attend in this meeting. As you know, this villa is a long-term investment and also a personal residence. Therefore, we expect not only compliance with drawing but a very high level construction quality. So today I would like to open this meeting so that it will be a critical discussion and not just a progress report.
We appreciate your level of knowledge. Quality management is also a priority for us, but it requires coordination, cost control, and realistic expectation. So we are prepared to explain and defend our methods.
Well, I would like to emphasize that the role questions not only what we do, but why we do it and how effective it is. Well, about the material quality control, we have, let's begin with the material included. We mentioned strict inspections to produce firm decisions that human material often includes policy, but how do we specify this very important?
So high quality materials increase initial cost, but poor material risk index, leakage, corrosion, and early replacement. So in Saigon climate, inferior waterproofing or steel quality will fail quickly.
So some contractors claim that they use the equivalent materials to reduce costs. So why do you reject the approach?
Is often subjective without proper certification and testing. We cannot verify the long-term performance. Our responsibility is to prevent failure. The fact is not to gamble with the material figure. And from the technical standpoint, material degradation is a major risk of saving money, but it's they often get to
So you're saying to me that material control is in form of risk management?
Exactly. The project is both the owner and the contractor.
Okay. So I'm also thinking about the construction process. So we see many inspection and approval. So does this slow down the project?
So as a site manager, in the short term, yes. In the long term, it prevents delays caused by rework.
For example, correcting waterproofing after finishes are completed can delay the project by months.
Well, but how do we know supervisions is not just paperwork?
Okay, each inspection is linked to a specific risk. For example, foundation sediment, concrete strength, waterproofing continuity, or finishing tolerance. Without passing this checkpoint, work cannot be proceeded.
And skipping supervision may appear faster, but it increases the probability of failure, and quality management is about controlling uncertainty.
Okay, understand. I also hear will talk about the inspection and testing. So some owners, my friends, feel that there are too many tests, complete tests for the roofing and all. So are all these really necessary to the project?
Yes, testing is not only objective way to verify the quality, but also the visual inspection alone cannot detect the weak concrete or hidden leaks.
And I strongly support testing. One defect are removed, the owner lose leverage. Testing shifts risk detection to an early stage.
So testing is also contractual protections too.
Yes, it provides documented evidence that work meets standards.
So about the workmanship quality is often subjective. How do you measure something like finishing quality? So we use markups, markup tolerance limits, and reference samples. For example, tile alignment, joint width, and surface flatness are measurable.
And what if I, the owner, will not be satisfied with the result?
If the work meets agreed standards, it is acceptable. However, for residential projects, we often go beyond minimum standards to ensure satisfaction.
And this balance between technical competence and user expectation is critical in villa projects.
Okay. So one more thing is about the mistake. So when defects are found, who is responsible for the defects and how fast they can correct it?
We issued a non-conformance report. The responsible party must correct the issues before acceptance.
So, what if defects are discovered after handover?
So that is why pre-handover inspection and documentations are essential. So they reduce post-handover disputes and clarify responsibility.
So documentations, some constructor complain that documentations is excessive. Do you agree with that?
So documentation is not bureaucracy, this is protection. So without recourse, quality claims cannot be proved.
And in legal dispute, documentation is often more important than verbal agreement.
So you're saying that the documents that will protect both of the outside equally?
Yes, it ensures the transparency and accountability.
Okay. So about the final products. At the final inspection, will I feel pressure, to accept the final products? And how do you prevent to that? I will be willingly accepted.
So we encourage joint inspection and clear defect list. Acceptance only occurs after corrections.
This approach reduces conflict and ensure a smooth close out.
And ultimately, good quality management is about trust, building process, not promise.
Okay, I think that's all. And after this discussion, it is clear that quality management is not a single activity, but a system that we have all agree on. So while it might increase in initial cost for me and effort for you, but I hope that it will significantly reduce long-term risk.
Yes, so we totally agree on that. And quality management ensures durability, safety, and protects the reputation of all parties involved.
Okay, I think that is all. So thank you.